Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a titanium frame that enhances durability while maintaining a polished look. Unlike its predecessor, it adopts a flat design, moving away from the previous curved screens. This change not only affects aesthetic but also improves usability as the phone is easier to handle without feeling slippery. The device boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a QHD plus resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 505 ppi that delivers vibrant color and sharp details. It supports a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness. The display can achieve an impressive maximum brightness of 2600 nits, making it highly visible even in bright sunlight. Notably, it features Corning Gorilla Glass armor, which provides enhanced scratch resistance and reduced glare by 75%, significantly improving visibility in various lighting conditions. The S24 Ultra is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM that allow for smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. No performance hitches when switching between multiple applications or engaging in resource intensive tasks. With 5000 milliampere battery, the device boasts excellent longevity, often lasting through 2 days of typical use without needing a charge. It offers smart battery saving features. It can extend uses even further. The S24 Ultra contains quad lens camera system on the rear, boasting a head-spinning 200 megapixel wide resolution camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, and a new 50 megapixel telephoto lens which has a 5x optical zoom. The camera system includes AI assisted tools such as magic eraser and instant slow-mo, enhancing user experience by simplifying photo editing. Although the new AI feature is marketed heavily, many AI capabilities did not meet our user expectations in practical use. However, other hardware improvements have been well received. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stand out as a premium smartphone that excels in performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. The overall package make it one of the best offering in current smartphone market.